Hey everybody. So I know it's been a long time since we posted anything. Um, for those of you that know me personally, there's obviously been some stuff going on in my life that's made it a little bit hectic to get these videos done. So I apologize for that. We were trying to post weekly or at least every other week for a while there, and it kind of fell off. But I do apologize for that. We are going to start up again very soon, hopefully by the end of this week. If not this week, then definitely next. I do have a little bit of traveling to do this week, so that may hinder it a little bit, but we're going to get back into it. The format's going to be very much the same. My goal is to post 2 videos a week. The first is going to be very similar to what I was doing before, with random recipes, stuff that I found, on sale, on discount at the store, showing you how to put some flavors together to make it all work. The other one is going to be a little bit different. I'm working on a specific project that I will give you more details on later, but just to kind of clue you in, it'll be a little bit more cuisine focused to a specific area. So, for 1 month we're going to do Italian. For another month we're going to do, say, Moroccan, and try and give you some exposure to some classic recipes from around the world. If you like these videos, please share them. The more exposure I get, the easier it is for me to do these, and the more shares you guys put up, the greater that exposure, and that will help immensely. I do have a new website. It will be posted in the text of this post, so check that out, and we will be posting a video in a few days here, and I hope everybody likes it, and thanks for sticking by me during this little bit of a reprieve, and we'll get you some new recipes here soon. So until the next video comes out, thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon.